One of the benefits of being with Leaderboard is we have experiences from all over the country that prove to really bring some added value. What you're watching here is a mega putt. Going through the instructions, everybody has a numbered golf ball. We're doing welcoming messages for the sponsors and thanking them for coming. And then on a count of three, they're all going to be putting at this one hole located in the middle. It gets them really laughing. They all remember their numbers. And it's a great introduction to a simple sponsorship, a simple $500 sponsorship, or it could be a major sponsor, or just a fun way to start the day. It's funny to see how they all react. And here we go. Yes, and a ball did go in the hole.